Hello everyone, in this video I will show you some mathematical functions in C++. The first thing you need to do is to include the cmath header, and then you can use some basic math like the power, square root, something like that. So for example, the first thing is the constant pi, and then it is can be accessed by m_pi. All of them are the uppercase, and then that is 3.14159, something like that. And then if you add an _2, that is 1/2 of pi, which is also a constant. So you can check this with the pi divided by 2, so actually they have the same value. The next function is the absolute value. So for example, if I have a negative number x, and then I can print out the absolute value of x, which is the positive part of that. The third function is the power function. So if you want to calculate, say like 5 raised to the power of 2, you can use the power function, and then the first one is the argument is the base 5, and then the next one is the power index, which is 2. The next function is the square root function, which is just the sqrt like other programming language. So like for example, if you have 6 square, which is 36, you take the square root of this, you can get a 6 here. The next one is the exponential function. For example, if you have x equal to 1, and then the exponential function is to 1 is the natural base, which is 2.71828, and the inverse function of this is the log, which is the log x has the base e. Then if you have a number that is approximately equal to e, and then you can get the log x is approximately equals to 1. So the last one is the sine function. The sine function is just sine x, and it is in the unit of pi, not degree. So for example, if you have 3/4 of pi, and then your result should be 1/2 of square root of 2, and then if you times 2 of the result, you can get square root of 2, which is 1.414. So we can run this code. As you can see here, the first one is the pi, and then the next two is the 1/2 of pi, and then the next function is the absolute value of x. Then we have 5 squared, we have square root of 36, we have e to the 1, which is just e, and this one is the log e, which is approximately equal to 1, and then the last one is the sine function, which is proved to be square root of 2. Thank you for watching.